in this video we will go through the exercise work of chapter 10, that is networking of computers. Means when one or more computers are connected together, they forms a network and they work as a server. So in this video we will go through our exercise work, and the very first question is what? That is multiple choice questions. First one, which one of the following topologies does not use switches or hubs? Can anybody tell me the answer for this? Which topology does not use switches or hubs? That is bus, ring, star or chain. That is bus topology. It does not use switches or hubs. The connection of various devices is called chatting? No. Networking? Yeah. The connection of various devices is called networking. Third one, which one of the following topologies is connected in the shape of closed loop? Star topology? No, it is not in the form of closed loop. Bus topology, it is linear. Tree, it is branched. So in a closed loop form, that is ring topology. An area covered by CAN is larger than that covered by a LAN but is smaller than that covered by a, means the area which is covered by CAN, it is larger than LAN but it is smaller than what? It is smaller than WAN, PAN, MAN or WAN. So that's MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. Area covered by CAN is smaller than the area covered by MAN. In which one of the following topology each workstation is connected to a central switch? That is tree topology? No. Bus topology? No. Star topology? This also not. Ring topology? Yeah, this is the correct answer. In ring topology, each workstation is connected to a central switch. Next is what? Question and answers we will do after completing the exercise. Okay. First of all, we will complete fill in the blanks, true, false, matching and all. And then we will go for question and answers. Dash cable is like a TV cable wire. Can anybody tell me what will come here? What will come here? Which cables are like TV cable wires? That is coaxial cables. Okay. Second one, many computers are connected to one computer which works as a server. Dash covers relatively short distances. So who covers, which network covers relatively short distances? That is LAN, MAN, WAN or CAN. What will come here? Dash covers relatively short distances. That is LAN, Land Area Network. Dash cables are free from noise and interference. So which cables are that? Which are used in our mobile phones. So they are free from the noise and interference. Which cables are that? Coaxial cables or twisted cables or shielded twisted pair, unshielded twisted pair. Which cables? Which cables are free from noise and interference? That is fiber optic cables. Fiber optic cables are free from noise and interference. Networking is a better solution for delivering dash at fast speeds, for delivering messages, videos or audios at fast speeds. Match column A with column B. Hubs will get joined to. Hub is what used instead of switches to connect computers. First one, server. What is server? Powerful computers. Second one, third one, UTP, unshielded twisted pair. Fourth, star topology. Star topology, cable failure affects only a single user. CAN, campus area network. Okay. Then we will go for question E. Mark tick for right statements and cross for wrong statements. A modem connects computer to a server at different places using a telephone line. Yes, true. Files that are not permanently deleted are recovered or they can be taken back by giving the salvage command. Yeah, true. So if they are not permanently deleted, they can be bought by from the backup. Coaxial cables provide point-to-point connection between two computers. False. Coaxial cables do not provide point-to-point connection. Which cables provide? Twisted pair. Twisted pair cables provide point-to-point connection between two computers. So you read the statements properly because there may be somewhat changing in the true and false while the examination. They may be asked in the form of fill in the blanks, true, false, or question and answers. So you prepare them properly. Next is a server refers to an interconnection of various computers that share data. Correct. The geometrical structure of network is called topology. False. It's not geometrical structure, it's logical structure. Okay. So we completed question number E, and the next question, question number F. Write the full forms of the following. I think so this question you can do yourself from the book. You can find out the full forms. All are mentioned there. But then also I tell you, because some students may not be able to find or some are not, maybe not there. So PAN, what is the full form of PAN? That is Personal Area Network. MAN. MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network. Metropolitan Area Network. Next, WAN. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. Wide Area Network. PDA. PDA stands for Personal Digital Assistant. Okay, na? The full form of PDA is what? Personal Digital Assistant. Yeah. STP. STP stands for Shielded Twisted Pair. Next, LAN. That's very easy. LAN Area Network. Okay. Next, we will go to the question number B, that is the answer the following questions. Our very first question is what? What is networking? So it is given on the previous page only, page number 95. Call up points, the very first point. Networking refers to the interconnection of various computers to share their data and information. This is our answer first. Next question. Question number second is what? What are the advantages of networking? So for this question, you have to come on to the page number 88. Page number 88. Advantages of the networking. You will provide the heading. Then the following are the advantages of networking. Sharing of useful information and data. Sending files from one computer to another. It delivers data at a fast speed. Files are stored in a centralized file system so that they could be accessible to anyone on the network. Networking is a better solution for satisfying computer needs of a business. Then the last 2 points you don't have to write, only first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. These 6 advantages you have to mention in this answer. And this is our answer second. This is our answer number second. Question number third. Name different types of cables used in computer networking. So for this you have to come on to the page number 87. 87. From page number 86, different types of cable can be used depending upon the type and size of the network. And then after that, you will provide the names of the cables. Only you have to provide the names of cable in this. First one, twisted pair cables, then coaxial cables, fiber optic cables, LAN card and hub. Okay, and on the next page there is one more, that is modem. So these are the types of cables depending on the network and their size. You have to provide only headings as I told, and it is our answer number 3rd. Yeah, and this is our answer 3rd. Question number 4. What is topology? Write its various uses. Answer is on the page number 90. What is topology and write its various uses? What is topology? From the second line, topology refers to the logical layout of the network wiring. It is the way in which the endpoints of a network are connected electrically. This is what the definition for answer 4. The following are the commonly used topologies: bus topology, tree topology, star topology and the ring topology. Answer 4. Then question number 5. Give 2 advantages of ring topology. This is on the page number 92. Page number 92. Disadvantages of ring topology. These are the 2 points. Expansion to the network can cause network disruption. Transmits data in one direction only. These are the 2 disadvantages of ring topology. And this is our answer 5. So I guess we have completed the full chapter. So these are the answers to all the exercise work in this chapter, chapter number 10. That is networking of computers.